morning guys, welcome to our channel. Today with us is the Proton 2019 Premium. So today we're gonna dismantle the bumper. We follow the below procedure. Tools, check the below link, the below description, we will post that. So let's begin, we don't waste time. As I recall, personal bumper, a lot of screw, especially on the bottom part. Check back the video before on the Saga rail bumper to unscrew this particular screw tab. So beware of the loosen. So here got two. And then we undo it. Still same, follow the 10 mm. This one also 10 mm. Same type, get a container to get a screw. So don't get any missing. Two more at the bottom here. Just click. One more here. You still got up one head on. Okay, let's check all the screws. From top is 3 and 2 screws. From the side will be this 4 and 1. And this all from bottom. So leave a comment below. Let's just discuss which car is the most screw for opening the bumper. Just So far we find out Persona is the most. Give a comment if you know which car is more good. Okay, let's continue our bumper.